Happy Red, White, and Blue, everyone, and welcome to July's episode of Cooking with Celebrate. We are going to be making our frozen yogurt bark. Come join me. So this is a really fun, nice little sweet treat that you can have during our summer months where it's hot. We're celebrating 4th of July, so you can definitely serve this at your party if you are having one, or if you're attending one, you can bring it as your dish. So we start just by adding our yogurt to a bowl. Really simple and easy. We're going to add vanilla straight to our yogurt. And then we are going to add our maple syrup. Now I like to use maple syrup. I like the richness of the maple syrup, but if you wanted to, you could use honey for this as well. If you prefer that, is absolutely fine. Okay. And then we're just going to combine this together in the bowl. Nice and evenly combined so that we can spread this in a nice even layer onto our parchment paper. Okay, so after that's combined, we'll set it aside and we are going to cut up our fruit. So I use strawberries and blueberries for the obvious red, white, and blue theme, but you can use any of your favorite preferred fruits to make this dish. So we're gonna just slice our strawberries. Blueberries are fine to keep whole. If they're larger, you could cut them in half if you wanted to. It's all gonna be frozen together, so it'll be very easy to add and incorporate. So we'll just cut the tops off of our strawberries. We'll slice these. You can cut them any way you like. You could cut differently, so we could slice this one and then dice the next one, so we have some different shapes and textures to our bark. Have some blueberries here. Some of them are a little bit on a larger side, so we'll cut them in half. And then some we'll keep whole, just again for added texture and depth. Okay, so we'll just set the fruit aside for right now. We can add more later if we need it. And you just want to get a baking sheet that you just put a simple piece of parchment paper on. And we are going to pour our yogurt mixture right onto the parchment paper. And you just spread that out so it's an even layer. Now you do not have to cover the entire sheet. It really depends on how thick you want your bark to be. If you want it thinner, obviously spread it further on the sheet. If you want it to be a little bit thicker, then keep it more contained into the center. Okay. And then, very simple and easy, we just grab our fruit and we sprinkle it across the top as we see fit. This is also a really fun recipe to incorporate the kids with you, right? Because they're home with you during the summer and you're thinking of endless activities to keep them quiet and entertained. And this could be a really fun, because it's a safe recipe for your kids to be able to make. And then we just pop this in the freezer. You want to put it in for at least 3 hours, but you can absolutely keep it in overnight and it'll be ready to go whenever you're ready to have it. Okay, so after this is in the freezer for at least 3 hours, we'll take it out and you see it's nice and frozen, and then we'll just cut it into strips. And there you have it, a nice frozen yogurt bar with fruit incorporated for your 4th of July celebration. Thanks for joining. Tune in next time for our next delicious Cooking with Celebrate episode.